in this session we are going to see some simple circuits with single LEDs and multiple LEDs. Okay, so we will go with this. So what I have to do, I just click on the create new circuit. So if I click on the create new circuit, I'll load on the new page where I can create my design. That's my working area. It will take some time to load. Okay, so now it's done. So what I have to do, we'll just connect one LED. So this one is done in the last lecture, right? What we did, we connected one LED to the coin one. So now we'll connect some multiple LEDs. 1, 2, 3 LEDs I connect here. We know that the LEDs are having two terminals, so positive and negative. So for making the series connections, what I have to do, I have to connect the cathode of first LED to the anode of second. So I'll just make it here. I'll make it here. So for the supply, what I have to do, I'll connect one battery. This battery I'll connect. For limiting the current supply, I'll attach the resistor. Okay. So currently, initially, what is the measurement of my resistance? Initially it will give the 1K, so I'll make it 330. Okay. As I change the value here the color combination will change. So now I connect my terminal 2 here, and this terminal 1 will go to the positive because it's connected to the anode, and this cathode of this LED will get connected to the negative. Okay, so now my circuit is complete. I'll just check the simulation. What I have to do for checking the simulation, I'll just click on the start simulation, and now we can see my all LEDs are connected. Okay, so with the help of this LEDs, with the help of this battery, my 3 LEDs are connected. So what is this? This is the series combination of LEDs. So what is series combination? In the series combination, it means the second terminal of first LED will connect to the first terminal of second LED. So now I'll stop the simulation. Now we will see the parallel combination. Parallel condition, what we will do, we will take the 3 LEDs. So how to take the LED? I told you this, we have to drag and drop. So I'll take the first LED. I took the second LED. And this is my third LED. Okay. So now for the activation of this, I need battery. So I'll make it vertical. Okay. So now this is my battery. So we can see this is my positive and this is my negative, and this is my anode, and this is the cathode. Okay. So what we have to do, we'll just make it rotate so that connection will be on the each side. So for the sake of simple connections, we can just rotate the things by clicking here, so it will get rotated. So previously what was the situation, my positive and negative on the opposite direction. So for making it on the one direction, what I did, so this is my anode and this is the positive. So what will happen, all the positive connections will be on the left side and all the negative connections will be on the right side. So here we will do this is the black color, so we will do the negative connections first. So what I will do, I will just make it cathode. So this cathode connections will go with my batteries connection. This is where I connected. First one is connected. For the second one also I'll do the same. Okay. Now the second one is also connected. This is my third one. So now this all negative connection is done. I'll check just the color to the red so that I'll know this is an positive connections. So I connected to this positive, the battery. Here I'll change. So just by clicking on it, we can bend the wire. As you can see, I bend it more times. So what this will happen, this will give a proper look, and it will be easy for understanding which wire is connected where. So now this is my whole circuit. I'll start the simulation. Now my simulation is started and we can see my whole LEDs are connected. So this is the parallel connection of LEDs. That's all for today's session. In the next session, we will see some other interesting circuits. So for exporting, what I will do, I'll change the name. I'll make it as parallel connection, and I'll export this design. I stop the simulation, then only I can export, and I'll click on the BRD. So no, this is done. So if I went to my main screen, I can see that this design is saved to my dashboard. Okay. So this my design is saved. Okay. Thank you.